Hi, Joe here with AJ Innovative Interiors. The first step is to install a toe kick plate onto the side of the cabinet. You can choose the right or left cabinet side. The pre-drilled holes for the shelves have to be on the inside when installing the toe kick. Make sure the toe kick is flush with the front of the cabinet side. After the toe kick plate is installed, use 1.5 inch pocket screws, round thick head for all the pocket holes. Step 2 is to install the bottom panel of the cabinet. Confirm 4 inches in the back of the panel in order for the panel to be evenly installed with the front. Step 3 is to install the back of the panel to the side of the cabinet. Apply wood glue in the groove of the back panel to add strength to the cabinet. Make sure the back panel is flush with the cabinet side. It is important to use longer screws, not pocket screws, to attach the panel. Use the fast cap to conceal the side of the countersunk screws. Repeat the process for the second side. Step 4 is you need to install top supports in the front of the cabinet and the back of the cabinet. Same process as the toe kick plate. Make sure all sides of the supports are flush with the cabinet and installed properly. Step 5 is the final step. You need to install the shelf pins. Select the height that you desire, and once the pins are in place, simply put the shelf on top of the pins. You're finished. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.